What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0179, down 7.5 on the day. Sitting market cap of 117 million. 24-hour volume 45.29 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit or Bitget, up to 30,000 in bonuses over on Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget. Recently partnered with Lionel Messi here on Bitget. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. Actually, I need to keep that open. So what we were previously looking at for Gala is pushing up in a wave B. But as you can see, we've started to break down. So the only thing that I can look at here, in my opinion, is that instead of this being the wave 5, it was the wave 3 low. And we came up in a wave 4 in a corrective triangle. And now we've come down in a wave 5. Extremely oversold on that 4-hour time frame. Money flow is down at the bottom section. So definitely some good likelihood of seeing a bounce to the upside in a wave B before coming down in that wave C to complete the wave 3 of the ending diagonal. And then you would put in a wave 4 pullback in the final wave 5 to bring it down to probably about 0.013 to about 0.012 in my opinion, and potentially bottom out towards I mean, all of this will probably take a long time, towards March of 2023. So that's what I'm looking at. Sometimes that's what happens. If you don't break up, then the only thing you can look at is that you miscounted and this was a wave 4 and now we've put in a wave 5 to the downside. All right, gang, as you can see, we've reached our technical target of the falling wedge pattern. We came all the way down to 0.017, extremely oversold on the daily as well as on the money flow. So I would expect to see a bounce to the upside relatively soon, in my opinion. All indicators are showing that, and then potentially come back up to retest at least the 20 EMA, see a rejection and see continuation to the downside. Let's see if that lines up. 0.020. Yeah, it pretty much lines up with the ending diagonal resistance, this downsloping resistance. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. We'll have to see if it plays out. If we just continue to sell off, all it means is the 5-wave move is not complete into the wave A, and then we'd still be looking to push up in that wave B, but extremely oversold on the 4-hour, most likely on the 1-hour as well, yeah, and on the daily. So there is definitely some signals that we could potentially see the bounce into the wave B. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. That's the Patreon link, $10 a month, and everything else is completely free. If you sign up to Bybit or Bitget, email me your sign-up email. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.